This presentation is prepared in PowerPoint and Go Animate, in other words, beyond by Yigit Kulah, who is speaking from UW Sydney campus. The content of this presentation starts with an introduction, followed by 3 tactics, conclusion, and references. NOBULL Project is the brand that produces sports products in footwear, apparel, and accessories. The company is headquartered in Boston, United States. Considering their performance in Australia, they are market follower after Rebel Sport, Nike, Adidas, and Puma. According to the social media audit, the main problem is found as the lack of engagement in social media platforms. When it comes to the target audience, the main buyer persona of NOBULL Project consists of B2C type of brand loyals and favorable brand switchers in the United States who prefer a healthy lifestyle at the age bracket from 18 to 35. The reason of choosing this target audience lies on the fact that Americans spend nearly $44 billion American dollars to activewear, whereas the most prominent age is found in 18 to 35 age group. To overcome the engagement issue and reach out this audience, smart objectives were defined for increasing the brand preference, the number of followers, and sales in the end. Based on these objectives, 3 online strategies were decided as converse, connect, and categorize, with the offline strategy as brand differentiation. The first tactic is decided as content marketing and paid advertising to accomplish these strategies. Since the main purpose is increasing the brand preference, number of followers with engagement, there has to be a good content planning, implementation, and monitoring. It is suitable for NOBULL Project to share relevant infographics and studies in fitness for providing value to its customers with an informative and supportive tone. The relevance of this tactic with strategies could be observed in converse and categorize strategies. While the genuine care and knowledge of the product are expressed in this strategy, content marketing and paid advertising is the useful one, where infographics could be used with an informative and supportive tone. In the meantime, discovery of channels to share this information and content would be the ultimate relevance with categorized strategy. This is an example for infographics that demonstrates the informative and supportive tones while providing value to customers in terms of the knowledge of the product. In this infographic, it has been mentioned that weightlifting shoes help athletes to maintain the recommended vertical position, which is used for squatting, according to a study in 2012. In terms of paid advertising, pay-per-click is the economic way to reach our target audience, since it gives the ability to track the information of people who saw these ads. Content marketing and paid advertising are both useful for the target audience in the United States, since over 82% of people in 18 to 35 age group use social networks. What is more, considering the strategy in Australia, the word shoes has been the second most searched Google query, which is related to products category that NOBULL provides. Therefore, it's relevant and appropriate for the target audience and beneficial in terms of brand preference. After the generation of high-quality digital media content, the next step is search engine optimization, in other words, SEO. Strategic keyword research, on-page and off-page optimization will be steps with monitoring the market. The tactic will enhance the visibility of the organization in digital media platforms to get a favorable result in the number of followers, brand preference, and sales. In the United States, internet usage penetration was 97% for the age group of NOBULL's target audience in 2019. This number was already reached to 100% for Australia in 2013. This means the second tactic is also useful for the target audience in both United States and Australia. The tactic has been used by Rebel Sport, which is one of the competitors of NOBULL Project. The organization used sports apparel as the keyword for Google. When the consumer types the relevant keyword, Rebel Sport is the one that appears at the top of the screen. The last tactic is mobile marketing, since it includes the usage of smartphones, tablets, and related technological devices. Through responsive web design and increased interaction with QR codes, NOBULL project will raise awareness and interest towards its products. When it comes to 2D codes, customers will be a part of enhanced shopping experience through additional information and multimedia content. Using influencers as brand ambassadors would have a great effect on Connect strategy to reach out more potential customers that will increase the brand preference and number of followers too. Mobile marketing would be the effective tactic that works for consumer group who can make online purchasing decisions as 50% of digital buyers in the United States are between their 18s and 35s, whereas the same age group contribute to 40% of share in online spending from Australia. This would help NOBULL to increase the number of followers from two big continents. To conclude tactics for NOBULL project, content marketing and paid advertising are selected with search engine optimization and mobile marketing. The main reason of using these digital strategies was based on the fact that the target audience is already tech-savvy for both Australia and United States, while all tactics contribute to the SMART objectives in terms of followers, brand preference, and sales. These are references used in this presentation. Thanks for watching.